Hey all, today's video on Alkas Space shares an exciting sensory play idea for your kids. If you are looking for an easy sensory play idea that is a winner with the kids, then you are going to love this video of colored rice sensory tray. So do keep watching till end and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Sensory play stimulates the senses. It helps children engage in the world around them. Dyeing colored rice for sensory play is quick and easy to do. What you need is a cup of white rice for one color, vinegar a spoonful, and a few drops of food color. Put these in a container and shake the container vigorously. Mix well. Cover the container tightly before mixing. Spread and sun dry. These will be ready after half an hour for use. I put the rice into the tray for my twins to play with, and they were captivated by it. They worked on scooping and grabbing the rice, a great fine motor activity. Putting the rice into the jar and back into the tray helps in increasing focus. Here I have used a glass jar and a glass tray deliberately just to add an auditory component. As the rice hits the tray and the jar, it makes a specific sound and kids recognize that sound. Not long into playing with all this, the colors were all mixed up and it was still as beautiful and captivating as it was in the beginning. Here the colored rice, the sound, both act as sensory stimulants. The sensory rice tray can be made a discovery container by filling the jar with items collected from around the house. I have included small metal-based paper clips, buttons, blocks, pom-poms, and wooden alphabets. It is all about exposing your child to different textures while playing. My kids had lots of fun pouring with the help of blocks. In addition to the fine motor and tactile experiences, children are smelling the rice too and hearing the sound that rice makes. Rice is safe, fun and easy thing to play with that has almost a universal appeal. And we added a science element here using metal clips in this tray, and one fine day the treasure hunt began. My girl fished around with the magnet just to find out how metal clings on the magnet, and see how excited she is to find out this. We also did this sensory play without dyeing rice. Kids get into the sound of rice hitting the tray, being switched around and being dropped. Which adds on an auditory component to the sensory right activity. See, we have added props, dinosaurs as props, and kids are equally enjoying the rice with dinosaurs. Kids scoop it up with their hands and also work on picking up individual grains of rice. So this was about how to play sensory game with rice, both dyed and undyed. Click on the bell icon to get updates. Get easy budget-friendly activities for your toddlers' perfect growth and development on Alkas Space. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.